student, welcome to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English, and today we going to learn the new topic which is given in your English grammar book. So student, for that you have to take out your English grammar book and open chapter 13. The name of chapter 13 is This Is and That Is. So student, in this chapter we have to learn the uses of this is and that is. So student, first of all you have to know about the this is or that is. So we use the word this to identify or point out a single things, animals or a person near us, and we use the word that to identify or point out a single things, animals or person not near us. Student, so for this we have to look this given example. So let's have a quick overview. So here you can see this is a newspaper. This is a newspaper and that is my kite. So why here is using this or that? Because this newspaper is near and this that kite is far. Okay, so for near we have to use this and far we have to use that. Now look at the next. In next you can see there is a boy and the boy is saying that this is my house because house is near from him. Okay, and why he is saying that is a car? Because the car is far from him. Okay, far from him. Okay, so let's do the given exercises. Before doing the exercises we have to read these notes. Okay, and we have to remember this given notes. So here is, we use this when we point at a things or a person near us. We use that when we point at a things or a person far away. Okay, it is the first and this is the second. And in third, we use this and that only with things or a people one in numbers. Student, you have to always remember we have to use this or that with a singular number. Okay, so let's do the given exercise. In exercise E you can see fill in the blanks using this or that. So let's do the exercises. In first, dash is a pen. So now tell me student, this pen is near or far? So the pen is near. So what will be used? We have to use this. Okay, for near we have to use this. And next, in number second, dash is a ladybird on the branch of the tree. Okay, so now tell me this ladybird is near or far? It is far. So we have to use that. THAT, that. Now come to the next. Next, in number 3, there is dash is a swan. Dash is a swan. So now tell me the swan is near or far? It is near. So we have to use this. THIS, this. Come to the next. Number 4, dash is a teddy bear on the cupboard. So now tell me the cupboard is near or far? So it is far. So we have to use that. THAT, that. In number 5, dash is a deer. So deer is near or far? It is near. So we have to use this for near word. Near things, near person or near people. Okay. Now come to the next. In number 6. In number 6, dash is an orange shirt on the cloth line. So now tell me this cloth lines is near or far? It is near. So we have to write this. THIS, this. Okay. Now next, dash is a camel. Dash is a camel. So camel is the near or far? It is near. So we have to write this. Okay. In number 8, dash is a boat sailing far away. So the boat is far. So we have to use that. THAT, that. Okay student. Now come to the next. After completing these exercises, come to the next. Next is a practice. So in this practice you have to look at this picture, fill in the blanks with this is or that is. So let's do it. So in first you can see there is some children, and one of them, Sanaya, is saying, "Good morning, Sameer, dash Danis." Okay, so what will be used? This or that. So we have to use this. Okay, we have to use this each. This each Danis. Okay, now come to the next. In number second, you can see there is a classroom, and in classroom the teacher is saying Ravi and Dinesh dash Rahul. So what will be used? This or that. So we have to use this is because the Rahul is near to the teacher. So we have to write this is Rahul. Okay, come to the next. Next, there is a mother and she is holding her baby, and mother is saying baby dash the moon. So now tell me, the moon is near or far? So the moon is far away. So we have to use that is. That is. Okay student, like this we have to completing the given exercises. Now come to the last exercises. In this exercise, look at this picture, answer this question starting with this is or that is. So student, we have to read this given question. According to the question, we have to write the answer which is given to the picture, and we have to use this is or that is. So first question is, what is this in the postman's hand? So now tell me, what is this in postman's hand? So postman's hand, there is a letter. So we have to write this is a letter. Okay, in number first we have to write this is a letter. Now come to the next question. In question number second, what is this in the girl's hand? So you can see what is this. This is a football. So we have to write this is a football. Okay, we have to write this is a football. Come to the next. In number third, there is a, what is the girl pointing to? So the girl is pointing to bird. So we have to write that is bird. That is a bird. Okay student. Now next, in next question, who are the boys pointing to? So the boy is pointing to a teacher. So we have to write this is a teacher. What is the spelling of teacher? T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. At last, there is a question number 5. What is the boy holding? What is the boy holding? So the boy is holding a pencil. So we have to write this is a pencil. What is the spelling of pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay student, like this we have to complete these given exercises one by one, and we also learn the uses of this or that. So student, we use this for a near and that for a far. Okay, so like this we have to complete this given exercises one by one, and we have also written this all exercises in our notebooks. Okay student, I hope this topic will be clear to you, how to use this or that with any singular animals, person or things. Okay, thank you.